the finished look. And I love it. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I absolutely love my hair. I absolutely love everything about it. I love how it turned out. I love the cut. I just love it. I love it. And this hair was definitely a great sport for everything that I wanted, and everything turned out so freaking good. So if you guys have any questions on this style or this wig, this hair, the company I got it from, all the information will be down in the description box. I also have a coupon code, so if you're interested in purchasing this same wig and making it into this unit or making it into your own, and you want some money off, then look down in the description box, and I may also put it in the comment section. Chat with me down there. Let me know how you like it, guys. And this is definitely like future hair goals for me. Like when I get 30 or so, like I think I can definitely rock a really cute short bob, and I may even like do a blunt cut first and then go up to the bob. But I'm just in love with this. Like, honey, you will not be able to tell me anything with this wig. Like, what wig though? I just love it. I could just see me doing this all day, y'all. All freaking day. People will definitely be tired of me, honey. Yes. So yes guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what style I should try next, or if you like this style and you're gonna try it, let me know. Tag me in your photos. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching my channel. Remember, do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.